Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another boom and crash strategy. Actually, I've shared this strategy with you guys before, but the only thing is that I didn't share with you the setup. Okay, so I will be doing that in this video, and I will also be giving more explanation on how the strategy work. Alright, because in the last video I only share with you the accuracy of how good the strategy is. Alright, but I didn't explain much, so that is what I will be doing here in this video right now. Alright, so before I do anything, I'll first of all share the settings with you guys. Now the first thing to do is to click on this icon here, this one. So after clicking on that icon, the first indicator here is the alligator. Alright, and these are the setup. So you make sure you take note of this very carefully. These are the parameters. Alright, just take a screenshot or something because I can't pronounce all these things, so I will just mark it out for you so that you see it, and then you either take a screenshot or you just note it down somewhere. Alright, so this is everything you need to know on this one. Okay, so make sure you have take a screenshot or you note it down somewhere. So after that, you click on done. Now on the indicator window, our first indicator here is the MACD, which is this one right here. And these are the parameters, right? So you just take a screenshot. These are the settings. These are the settings. And see, under the star we have 1 pixel. The main is 1 pixel. The signal is 3 pixel. And the main, you can see the color is white, which is the color of my background, right? So you make sure you do the same thing. So after that, you click on done. Now the next indicator here is the moving average, and this you have to click on this. You have to click on this icon before you add that. Alright. So after clicking on that icon, you search for the moving average. Alright, you add the moving average, which is this. You can see the parameter. The period is 1, shift is 0, method is simple. The apply to, you have the previous indicators data, right? After clicking on it, you see the second to the last one is the one you have to choose, which is this one right here, right? Choose that one, and then the pixel, you can see 3 pixel and the color is blue. So that you click on done. And the next indicator you have to add is the relative strength index. Alright, under the MACD, okay, which is this one. Now the main reason for adding the relative strength index is just for the level. Alright, just because of the levels. So now the period is 1, right? If you change the period to 1, and all those, nothing will show. This one will not show again. Alright, so make sure you make the period 1, right? That's the most important thing. And then under the levels, you make it 85, make it 85 and 15, 85 and 15, right? The pixel is 2 and the color is black. Those are the important things you need to change, right? After that, you click on done, then you go back. You are going to have a screen like this, right? Now this is how the strategy works. First of all, on the indicator window, you are going to allow the blue line to cross above the red, right? This is crash 1000, 1 minute time frame. You are going to allow the blue to cross above the red. So after that crossing happen, you wait for and the green to cross above the black. After the blue cross above the red on the indicator window, the second thing is that's the first condition, right? Now the second condition is that you wait for the green to cross above the black on the main chart. So whenever you see that, immediately you see the green crossing above it, right? You have to take 5 candles, right? You take 5 candles and you are done. Okay, you don't need to be greedy. Sometimes it will keep going up, but other times there will be spike. So you don't need to be greedy, right? Just take 5 candles, that is yours, and then you are out. Okay, so that is how simple the strategy is, right? As you can see here, there was a spike. You wait for the blue to cross above the red, and then also on the main chart, which you wait for the green to cross above the black, which is the final confirmation before you take your entry, and you have to take just 5 candles and you are done. Okay, so that is how simple the strategy is. It's as simple as ABCD and it's very profitable. Okay, a simple but powerful strategy for you to grow your $20 account. All right, for you to grow your small account size. All right, so that's pretty much everything on this video. Alright, so if you're a new subscriber, if you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, so that is pretty much everything, guys. Thanks for watching. Silver out.